Hello everybody, it's Sam Valdivia from DAStronix, and we're here focusing on public safety. And this is obviously a very growing area for us. We do have a line of CW test equipment that tests BDAs for public safety. Why are we the market leaders for CW testing? The reason for CW testing is so important that you have to make sure whatever design you do or models that you have are accurate. So you have to be 100% sure that you're not going to have dead spots. So how do we determine and make sure that your design is properly done? We do it with our transmitters. We're the flagship leaders for all the transmitters from public band safety all the way to millimeter wave. So let me go ahead and show you a little quick sample of what we have here. So if you span in here, you're going to look at, this is our flagship transmitter. It's the only 4-port signal generator, 4 independent CW transmitter that is used for a lot of DAS deployments, public band safety, and it actually goes from 150 megahertz, so we can do VHF, all the way to 3.7 gigahertz. So reality is you can do all the DAS deployments from public band safety to cellular. So 4 ports is very important. You can do antenna testing with this unit. Now I'm going to kind of span in and look at our other flagship product. This is our Swiss Army knife for transmitters. It's the Illuminator, it's the WTX610. The reason you want to use this unit for CW testing is for the fact that it covers all the frequency spans. It goes above the one that I just showed you, 200 megahertz to 6 gigahertz, and you get that out of 1 port. So this one transmitter can test every type of signal, cellular, public safety, whatever's out there that needs to be deployed. On top of that, it's the only transmitter that has a high power amplifier that is small and portable. So why do you need the power amplifier? You want to test your BDAs. You want to simulate your BDAs in the system. You want to test the antennas at the same time. So this is a flagship leading product for us also. And right next to it, while I'm transmitting this signal at 700 megahertz, you're looking at the smallest kind of form factor spectrum analyzer that we sell. That's called the MTM427. So here, this is signal that I'm transmitting with our transmitter. Here, you're seeing it on the screen. So look at the form factor, the smallness of this product. It's very cost effective. So you need to make sure that you're testing interference over the air when you're transmitting and looking at your antennas and looking at your systems. So just another product that we have to support customers on. So now that I've covered over here from the VHF, public band safety, CBRS, here we have CBRS, C-band, public safety, now, and we're in the millimeter wave space. So here we are, we're the market leaders because this brand G 5G unit is being used out in the fields for venue testing. And it's very important that you know that this is the highest power transmitter available in the market. So what you're looking at right now is a 39 gigahertz signal. We can simulate any Verizon signal, AT&T signal. Right now I'm simulating an AT&T signal. We're getting 29 dBm out of this product. With this Omni antenna, you get another 7.5 dBi of gain. Add that up, it gives you the power and the uplinks that you need to simulate an actual radio headset for 5G for millimeter wave. And just to prove that this is doing 39 gigahertz at that 29 dBm with this antenna, I'm going to span into a unit that Locke from DAStronix is here with me that actually demonstrates that signal at that band. So you're looking at 39 gigahertz in the palm of your hand with our SAS spectrum analyzer and that horn antenna directed right at the Omni antenna. So now we're proving that that signal is very precise, powerful, precise, and the precision is what you need to make sure that you simulate this stuff in the field, because you're gonna find out there's gonna be gaps, there's gonna be holes in your tests. So it's important that you understand that we cover all these transmitters for many reasons. And I encourage you guys to call us, learn a little bit more about it, talk to us, and we can explain how we solve these problems for the customers. So it's good to know that we have a full line of all the transmitters. And again, we're a market leader for that reason. And the technologies that we support, all cellular, all DAS, public safety, DAS monitoring, CBRS, millimeter wave, and we also sell fiber optic test equipment. So there's many reasons why to call DAStronix. and I'm here to support you. I have my team. We'll be glad to help you, make sure that you do your test properly, and that we support you with the products correctly. So thank you for taking the time to listen to me. I appreciate it.
DAStronix, your DAS RF test equipment partner. For more information, visit us at DAStronixUSA.com.